Hey guys, Amelia here with Mama Bear Reviews, and today we are reviewing the electric Nosefrida, and we're going to compare it to an older video I did of the original Frida Baby Snot Sucker. So I have been using the Snot Sucker for like 5 years now. It works great. I loved it. I got it as a baby shower gift. You can click up here and watch the old review on that, but today we're mainly talking about the electric one and just kind of doing a little comparison of the two. So let's get into it. Got this Frida Baby electric one at Target. I have been dying to try it, mainly just because my youngest absolutely hates getting her nose like cleared out. My oldest will do the Snot Sucker. She's not a fan, but she's done it since she was little, so she's used to it. My youngest has just gets stuffy noses so easy, and like boogers and whatever. So I've been wanting to do this mainly because she could do it herself, as well as, you know, me doing it for her if she's really congested. So you unbox this. It talks about on the back like what comes with it. So you get this cute, it comes in this case, super sturdy, easy to travel with, throw in a diaper bag, backpack, whatever, or just keep it on a nightstand. So you open it, it comes with the actual piece, it comes with a charging cord, and it comes with two different head attachments. So there's this one, which is for like itty bitty babies, so it won't, go past a certain point in newborns. And then they have this one, which is for older kids. It just kind of goes in there a little deeper. Anyways, I personally use this one for both of my kids because my youngest is 3.5, so it's just easier that way. But I love that this comes with a newborn attachment. If I would have had this when my kids were newborn, totally would have used this one. Anyways, so it comes with this piece that just pops on. Super easy. Pops on, and then you take this attachment, squeeze that on, and you're ready to go. So you just hit the power button, and it comes with 3 different settings. I don't know if you can hear that. This is like high and then low. I usually use the second setting, and it also comes with a distraction light. So if your kid still is just like not having it, it comes with a light that changes colors. So while you're doing it, they can kind of look down at the light and, oh, what color's next? What color do you think is gonna come next? And just distracts them from like what's actually getting pulled out of their nose. So that's a cool feature. It also comes with a cleaning brush. So this little whiskey brush that, just slides right in perfectly to get the boogers out, to clean it out. And then to clean it, you just detach these two, clean these pieces, dry them, you're ready to go. Everything fits nicely in this case. It is a bit more expensive. Like I said, I got it for $40 at Target. They do have the original there for I think 15 or 20 even, and it comes with all the little pods and everything you need for it. So that's a great option. Personally, my kids wouldn't sit still. My kids wouldn't sit still long enough for me to suck it in, and then that's a lot of power for you to have to be able to breathe in and really suck it out, especially if it's a stubborn one. While this one, you just push a button and kind of control the power, and then you're set, you're ready to go, move on, get the boogers out, be on your way. My youngest, who absolutely refuses the Snot Sucker, the original one, absolutely refuses it, runs away, screams, cries, kicks, has a whole tantrum about it, loves this thing. She will actually grab it herself. She'll come up to me, Mommy, I got boogers. And she'll come up, take it, and just sit there and get all the boogers out and wiggle it around, get all the boogers out and be like, I got it. I'll insert a clip here of her doing it herself. It's the cutest thing. Is it getting the boogers out?
Yeah.
You're such a big girl. Doing it all by yourself. Do the other side. Ah, you got it!
Yeah.
She absolutely loves this, and she uses it, and it's no more tears, no more fighting, no more anything. Makes life a lot easier. So if you want to check this out, I have a pro-con list all about this. in my blog post, link in the description box, as well as the original video on the snot sucker if you want to check that out. With that blog post, I will link everything down below. I will link this one that I got at Target for you down below too. And yeah, so if you have one, let me know in the comments which one you prefer, if you have the electric or if you have the original. Comment down below which one you have, which one you prefer. Let me know. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.